Hello everyone, welcome back to Box Kitchen's channel, and today's video we're going to cook beef tendon. And this is the famous recipe here in Hong Kong. So let's get started. And this is our recipe. Of course, we need here beef tendon. We bought here in the market. It's 250 grams. And I add 100 grams of meat beef tendon. We need here chu ho paste, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce. We need here also garlic and ginger, spring onions, and we cut just like this. We separate the white one to the leaves, and then I add some vegetable here, diced carrots and winter melon. You can use also radish. In a pot, put 1 liter of water, bring to boil. While waiting for our water to boil, we need to wash our beef tendon. Wash it thoroughly. And now we're going to add our beef tendon. And we're going to pre-cook it for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we're going to take it out. And then we're going to slice it into small cubes. And then we're going to wash it again. And now we're going to cut our beef tendon. We need here to boil again another 1 liter of water. So I add the cat beef tendon. I add some leek and laurel or bay leaf, dried bay leaf, and 1 piece of star anise. Let it boil or simmer for at least 3 hours. After 3 hours, we need to put our meat beef tendon. Let it simmer for another 2 hours. We're going to cook it in a slow fire. After 2 hours, we need to take it out, our beef tendon, and drain it. And in a small bowl, we need to put 1 tablespoon of cho ho paste, Add 1 cup of water. Dissolve the hocho paste. And set aside. In a wok, we need to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I used olive oil here. We're going to saute ginger and garlic until aroma comes out. Add our beef tendon. Add bay leaves and 1 piece of star anise. And add our tofu paste. Add our vegetable, carrots and winter melon. And we're going to add light soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and cover it. And let it simmer for at least 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, guys, it's done. And we're going to add our spring onion. And that's it. So I hope you like our recipe for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!